Omukulembeze w'eggwanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni akanvudde eddoboozi bw'ategeezezanga batagenda kukkiriza mpisa nsiwuufu kubanga abasomesa b'e Makerere baaweebwa nsalesale okudda mu bibiina ne beerema era ng'ekyokusalawo kyokka kye baabadde nakyo kyakugalawo ssettendekero. Wabula asuubiza nti ssettendekero waakugulawo mangu ddala kasita ensonga zitereezebwa.
When you have got people who have got an attitude of if you don't do this today, I am going okwediima. That's not a good way. That's not a good way. Nanyini kintu tasanyalaza kintu kye. The owner of the home does not paralyze his own activity. If I'm farming, I cannot say that because the rain has delayed, I have abandoned everything. The rain has delayed. But we were patient. We continue. Now it has come. So that attitude is not a good attitude. And since the teachers were not teaching and they were given an ultimatum to go back and they said they wouldn't, we are to close the university and really take decisive action now. And I want to tell you that we are not going to tolerate this type of indiscipline anymore. Finished. This is Kisanja Wakona Mchezo, you remember?
Museveni ategeezezza nti akakiiko akafuga ssettendekero e Makerere kavaayo ne kamusaba okugala ssettendekero kubanga abasomesa baali beedimye okusomesa nga beekwasa obusonga obutaliimu.
The University Council called on me to temporarily close the university because the teachers had not been teaching. Using very small excuses, because we have been increasing the salary of lecturers. Our target is to make sure that a professor gets 15 million shillings. We are now moving, we have reached, I think, 8 million. And we are committed, we are going to reach it.
President akinoganyiza nti tebaganye kusasula nsako z'abasomesa wabula gavumenti erina ebintu bingi byekwasaganya ng'enguudo n'ebirala nga n'olwekyo balina okugumiikiriza.
We have got a program for the whole country paying for these roads that are being made. The way you now drove here, you saw how good the road is, all the way from Kampala to here. All these programs we are talking about, NADS, they all need money. We are not refusing to pay the arrears of those lecturers, but they should wait.
Kulwa Kingdom TV, Nasaka Joeria ne Musoke Brian, amalindirire.
This is Kingdom TV.